Good morning. How's everybody doing? Y'all, I can't believe it's the end of July. Can y'all? And look, I wanted to share a couple of things with y'all. I was so excited. The other day, I went to a junk store. And listen, if you're just hopping on, my name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle. And I like all kinds of crafting and DIY and like thrift store shopping and stuff like that. Anyway, and every time I turn, I see I didn't brush my hair in the back. Y'all just ignore that. And look, I can't see any messages. What's up, Facebook? Anyway, I'm from the South and I love tea. Most of the time I do like half and half, like a half a cup of sugar and tea. Oh, good. I see y'all's messages now. Anyway. And I could not find like the old-fashioned tea pitchers that my mama and my grandma used to use. And the other day, I was out at a antique, resale, junk store, whatever. And I found like a tea pitcher that my mama and grandma used to use. So I was in here doing the dishes. No, y'all know I wasn't using this. This is for decor purposes only, right? Do y'all use y'all's pretty dish towels? I thought I'm gonna fake them out and be cleaning my dishes. Anyway, y'all know. Hey Manny, hey Linda. Y'all, I'm kind of sad. It's the last day of July. It's the last day to get this awesome club. And there's something else we did. I can't even point. Right there. Anyway, so I'm going to come on later and do like the last day of July club projects. But y'all want me to come on tonight, later this afternoon? What time is good for y'all? You tell me. Hey, Peggy. Hey, Beverly. And sorry I'm missing everybody. But y'all, really, I am doing dishes. But I knew I couldn't fake y'all out with this July Club dish towel. Hey, Justina and Peggy. Peggy says tonight. Y'all let me know. Tonight, this afternoon, whatever. But anyway, and another thing I got to think about. Y'all, today, I saw something online and it made me mad. And I was like, oh my gosh. All of these things started going around in my head. Like, they are cooking my grits. Have y'all ever heard that saying? It's kind of like they're making you mad. Linda said after 8 p.m. Justina said 6. Tonight. It looks like y'all are all saying tonight. Anyway, and I was thinking about things that, old sayings like, a friend of mine that I used to work with, he said that that's like put a bee in his bonnet. And I was trying to think of other things that, remind me of the old days. Like hopping mad, that kind of thing. So I would love to know y'all's sayings when you get mad. And then I was thinking, whenever you get mad, the only person that's suffering is yourself. And I was kind of reeled back in because the first thing I saw was a picture of my grandson looking so happy in the back seat of my daughter's car because he just signed up for soccer. And y'all, let me tell you about his soccer experience. He played soccer one other time, and he actually didn't play. The only thing he did is every time he went to the soccer field, he played like outside the field. And he was just so happy to be there. And I was thinking, you know what? That rascal knows how to be happy under any circumstances. So, that kind of turned me around. Susan said, ugly as a bear. But anyway, and then, look, I got 2 hints this morning that was to quit being mad about something. The other one was embrace every day with gratitude and hope. And I was like, let's see. Somebody said they got a burr under their tail. Anyway, y'all, I was like, okay, look, everything, or not everything, but every now and then you're going to get mad about something. So say your piece or whatever, but then find something to make you happy. And I was like, I need to go on here and see what y'all do. Like if you get mad about something, what do you do to turn it around quickly? Because that stuff can fester. And look, Sam says burr under your bonnet, mad as a hornet. Yeah. So, I think it's human nature to like either be offended by something or be mad about something. But I don't think we can stay mad long because, it's only bad for ourselves. Vanessa says she reads her Bible. Yeah, listen, all of that's good and fine. Mad as an old wet hen. I have heard that before too. So y'all tell me what y'all do to, kind of turn things around. What side of the bed did you get up on? I have heard that. Oh my gosh. In fact, I think Mama would tell us, y'all need to get back in the bed and get off on the other side. But anyway, I was so glad that, oh, look, let me see. This is a good one. Julie said, I think about everything I have to be thankful for. Oh my gosh, you've tripped my trigger. Yeah, listen, this morning my trigger got tripped and I was just like mad as a wet hen. I had a bee in my bonnet. Somebody was cooking my grits. And I was like, no, girl, you are not going to be like this today. Oh, look, Mama used to say this all the time that Joan said, get glad in the same shoes you got mad in. That is so true. Oh my gosh, Sylvia said today's Wellness Wednesday. Stay strong and never give up. I love it. Anyway, so I am seeing that y'all want me to do the club tonight. And listen, if you don't know what the club is or you're not in the club, you can type club and I'll send you a message with the link. But let me show you something else that we did last night that was so much fun. And I've only done it maybe 3 or 4 times with my team. And anyway, we had a team chalk night where we Zoomed with the Nutcracker. But before I do that, I want to say something that Peggy said. And this is something we have said and Mama has said. That got my goat. Anyway, y'all, this morning something got my goat. And I was like, no, girl, this ain't happening. So last night we had a chalk night with my team. And we did this Nutcracker. He's 30 inches tall. I'm 5'5". So he's 30 inches tall. And I got this little lantern at Hobby Lobby, and it really works, y'all. It's so stinking cute. And I got this greenery and this these little red berries from Hobby Lobby. And I actually got 3 of these. I got 1 for Jenny and 2 for me. And I'm thinking that this one's going to be hers, maybe. I don't know. So I was like, I got to show y'all this. Because when you open this kit, it comes with everything except the paste and the squeegee. But when you open it, there's a lot of small parts. But once you get started, it's super easy to do. And you can do it any color you want. The kit doesn't come with paste. And if you want the kit, you can type Nutcracker, and I'll send you the link in the comments. But I got to thinking about all the stuff that I can put in his hand. And I was like, oh my gosh, I want to do more because, I mean, y'all, isn't he the cutest? And listen, this is another thing I was like, you know what? I might have a bee in my bonnet. Yeah, that person might be cooking my grits. I might be hopping mad. But when I get on here with y'all, I am happy, happy, happy. So y'all are my therapy. And even though it's Wellness Wednesday, it's wellness every day with y'all. I mean it. So I hope y'all have had some laughs with me. And I can't wait to read y'all's comments on what y'all do to get happy, happy, happy when somebody has made you get up on the wrong side of the bed. Anyway, so if you are interested in the club, type the word club. If you're interested in the Nutcracker, type Nutcracker. And I saw somebody asking about cutouts. Both of those words will have a link to Barry's cutouts. So if you type either Nutcracker or club, there'll be like a little beep, beep, beep that you can, not a little beep, 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 but a little block that you can click on. Oh, thank you, Susie. Look, I love y'all too. And look, I'm only human, but when I get up on the wrong side of the bed, I'm coming to y'all because you're my happy place. And look, keep dropping in the comments all those little sayings, got up on the wrong side of the bed, a burr in your bonnet, and whatever Manny said. I don't think he translated his. Thanks, Gail. Thanks, Janet. Thank you, Donna. Look, I am always happy. I mean, I might have a burr in my bonnet or whatever. Vicky, that's a great idea. I love music and I love to dance. That is a great idea. So look, happy Wellness Wednesday. We found that out here. And Elizabeth, just type club or Nutcracker, and there's a link in there for the cutouts. But y'all, have a great day. I will see y'all tonight. But y'all keep putting the times and stuff in here so that I'll know what time y'all want me to go live. Love you guys, and thanks for putting this smile back on my face. See you later.